welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a full boots haul. So recently I bought 2 boots. Well, actually I didn't buy them recently, but I've kept them for fall and I wanted to show you them, guys, unbox them with you, try them on, get my first impressions, and yeah, see what you guys think. But if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Tonique Campbell, aka Bouji in London, and we talk all things bougie in fashion and all things bougie in beauty. So now you know who I am and what I talk about on my channel. Have you hit the subscribe button? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so it is freezing at the moment in London. Like, I am Lee with a capital C. I was gonna say capital L, but that doesn't make sense. And I'm recently been getting so cold, and it is boot season. I've got a pair of long Stuart Weitzman leather boots. I also had the Bottega, which I've sold, but I think I will rebuy into them again. And I wanted to add some more boots to my collection. So first up, from one of my favorite brands, Valentino. Can you guess what boots these are? If you can, leave a comment down below. Yes, I am one of those YouTubers that say leave a comment down below. Like, sometimes I'm like, well, I don't even want to leave a comment, so why are you asking me to? Like, who's got time for that? But anyway, I've been wanting these for ages and I managed to get my hands on them, and yeah, let's unbox it. I think this was for their runway, little receipt. I think this was for their runway collection last season, but I was in love with them. And these are these bad boys. These are the Uniqueform combat boot, and it's got the V logo there. It has zips down the side so you can get in and out, and then this chunky platform, which I love. So cute, so cute. But I got these in a 36 and I think that was the right size to get. I think you should get true to size in Valentino boots or half a size down. Obviously I've got a little bunion situation going on my foot, so there is no half a size down to go. So I just went for the 36, but I love them. Look at the chunkiness of these boots. Okay, let's just put them on. Okay, so these are the boots on and they are giving me life. Look at that platform. How sexy are these boots? So I styled the boots with my Saint Laurent hoodie, this snakeskin faux leather Mac from Pretty Little Thing, and some Paige Margot denim jeans. And I'm ready to rock and roll, baby. And then the second boots was from ALAIA. I also got these in a 36. I've been wanting these boots for ages. And I managed to get a little hookup, and yeah, got the Elia Paris. Thank you. And these are them. The only issue is I really doled on these because I took a 36 and actually you're meant to take half a size up in Elia boots. So I don't know. They fit just about right, but I can't wear thick socks with these, which is a real shame. And they didn't have a 36 and a half anyway by the time I bought it, and there's no way to return it, so. But I literally just tried these on and they're a little bit tight, which is a shame. But I know it's leather, so it will stretch. But I think if you do want to be comfortable and wear a thicker sock, take half a size up in the ALAIA. But yeah, let me just put them on for you so you can see how they are. I didn't actually end up changing my outfit, so once again I'm wearing the Pretty Little Thing faux snake print leather Mac, my Saint Laurent hoodie, Paige high-waisted jeans, and then these gorgeous boots that just tie the outfit so nicely. I love the laser cut detail on these boots, and now you've seen them on. And absolutely random, got nothing to do with boots, but at the moment I'm using this Odysseus, the Victorious, which is a luxury perfume collection, and the scent I'm using is Rebellious, and this scent is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm gonna spray some right now. But if you want an oud scent, I would recommend that. Sorry, so random, has nothing to do with boots, but I thought I would just drop that in there for you guys. But that is definitely my scent for fall. I've been wearing that scent a lot and so many people have asked, so I thought I would bring you guys in, because we gotta bring you guys in with all the goodies. But yeah guys, what did you think of the boots? I do still need to get another boot. because I feel like my boot collection now is like growing and growing, and I'm like very happy with it. Maybe I think next I'll get a short boot, and I think I will buy into the Bottega Love boots again. I just bought the wrong size. I shouldn't have gone down. I should have just taken the 36 because I did have this bungling situation now, so the 35 doesn't fit anymore. I will leave the video there though, like they're just a dream, and I really do want another pair of those boots because they would be so perfect right now for my boot collection. But yeah guys, that's it. What did you think of this video? If you liked that video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'd be happy to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below where you can purchase these boots from, but I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always say what guys? Bougie.